Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. Had some trouble when I started the time lapse. This is the board that was out of a whole other drive, nothing to do with these three, and it's just fine. I can turn it off. This thing ran and ran and ran. There were no errors. It's all good. But just as I started this whole procedure, the board that I had been working with and had been fine, had been quite dandy, suddenly it wouldn't. It would not communicate well. So it is possible, I don't know, it's possible that a chip failed in the midst of the testing, which is, of course, that is what we would like to happen if we're going to have a failure. But it's no fun having a failure, especially when you're just setting up and saying, yeah, we're going to test this. Very strange. So anyway, I switched boards. Hello. I did. I did. And I set the thing up to test the drive. Yeah, without the benefit of the board that I thought would be working. Okay, let's try this now. We're going to do this one time. There we go. Device not present. Did I not turn it on? Yeah, that would do it. Don't turn it on. It will not be there. Okay, one. Not doing it. This is strange. This is kind of like one of the failures from before. Oh, man. Yep, it's just not. It's not. But yet the same thing, the same drive, was working just fine. So it is indeed possible. Quite possible. We have a very similar failure in the board department. Well, I guess the thing to do is turn this off. Turn this off for a moment. Turn it back on. And unplug things. This is very strange. This was working just fine. Absolutely fine. Absolutely fine it was. All right. So we'll take this board out. We'll set it down. We'll put this one in. Oops. Backwards. It's still been working fine. Working fine. So, this is peculiar. very peculiar. Oh, there's the LED. So the way it's kind of failing is very much like one of the other ones in that it just doesn't respond. Now this could be that something has just failed. It could be. So I'm going to go into this little baggie of things. Where I have, oh come on, all kinds of chips and all kinds of screws. You would think that I could just get a couple of screws. Okay, so let's see here. Let us secure this. In here. Oh, we can't do that. Somebody has put tape over there. That's all right. So we'll secure this here, and we'll secure it in the middle right here. All right. We are secure. And if I turn this on and we load the directory, will load. Oh, we were almost done. We're going to poke 53280, 0, and we're going to poke 53281, 0, and we're going to switch this to wait, and we're going to see that this is just dandy. Load. Let's try P, quote, 8. See what happens. And indeed, it's going off to do that. Now, it's funny. No. Discs are falling, things are happening. This is not good. Oh, no. This disc box needs to be upright. Okay. Now, hang on a second here. Oh, dear. This is complicated. Excuse me. I should have here a little wee screwdriver. Now, I believe I might have heard a screwdriver fall before. Oh, why can't anything just be simple? Okay. We gotta dig around. See, I have two little screwdrivers. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna pause. All right. I have found a screwdriver. We're going to turn this off and pop out. This board is working. Pop out the 6522 chip. Put it down here. Here's the board that was fine, but now it's not fine. And I've never popped anything out of this yet. So, I do like this board. Everything that's major is in the socket. Okay. Sorry. Okay, that's one. 6522. What else I should do? That's in somewhere here. Are my glasses. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go up here. And we're gonna try and load P again. And it seems to be, there we are. And it's loading. Excellent. See, that was not happening before. All right. So we'll turn this off. Grab another 6522 chip. This is peculiar. Have all these failure things happening. All right. So we'll take out the corresponding 6522 chip. All right. And I'll put them in the same configuration down on the table here. And we'll line up this 6522 and put it in, and it comes up. Oop. And I'll try to load P asterisk, and it's working. Or just P. And it loaded, which this one would not do. So, once again, hello. Come on, little chip. It's funny, sometimes, remember, these have not been out of here yet. 6502, out, disk drive off, 6502, coming out, same configuration, we don't foul things up. This one is actually a 6502E, 49th week of 1982. Okay, we're in, we're on, we'll try. See, the thing before, oh yeah, it wouldn't move. No matter what, it just wasn't happening. Same drive. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Ugh. I don't want to run this through. Okay. I have a few more chips and then I have to ponder. Ponder. Anyway, thanks for coming. Thanks for being here. We'll see. Maybe we have 3 bad boards. All very strange. All very strange. Anyway, thanks for coming. We'll see you again soon back here in the TV room. Bye for now.